Hello, Nish, Shanghai. I'm QP. Nice to meet you all. Actually, this is my first time. Yeah, there's a lot of things actually, but to be honest, I think the food, the snapping turtle.
Oh.
I'm not sure if it's grilled or boiled, but I think it tastes really nice. The snapping turtle and the chicken is really similar. I went to the buns and a lot of places there. What's actually surprised me that there's Thai alphabet spells Bangkok Bank in front of the building. Our plan is to go into Disney World in Shanghai. I like Lightning McQueen from Cars, Mr. Fredricksen from Up. My family is half Chinese Singaporean. I've known something about this before. I actually know one person. His name is Lin Chunan. I watch him since he was young. He's an actor in like some fighting movie and stuff, yeah. I think possibly, maybe possibly, but first I need to learn Chinese first. I think that's the most important because I don't want to have any a gap between language, you know. Shuai means handsome and Piaoyang means beautiful. 我爱你们